Yes. Hey guys, we are at the Chippewa Nature Center for their Maple Syrup Day, and we are heading to the pancake breakfast to have breakfast with our friend Asa. And then after that, hopefully we'll do a little walk around and tour the sugar house.
Hey everybody, we just got done eating pancakes and sausage. Right now we are walking to the sugar house on the river trail.
So you need to be below freezing at nighttime and above freezing during the day for sap to flow. So that's why you have some corn syrup alternatives for a little cheaper alternative. And that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, and I can do all over. So the middle is where it comes in, and then the sides is where it's closest to syrup. So the only difference is that it's different stages of cooking in the evaporator.
It smells good.
And that's for sugar maples. Other maples are a higher ratio.
You going for 98?
So we are taking a walk through the sugar bush here at the Nature Center. It's where they tap the trees to get the sap that they are turning into syrup along the Chippewa River here. And down here you can kind of see these birch buckets are to collect sap. And I'm not sure if we can see it, but there's sap down in there. Not really much sap flowing right now. What do you think? You remember what all these plastic tubes are for? You helped put them on.
I remember isn't it to help with the plants or something like that? I don't remember. That was so long ago.
It's to protect the native trees from the deer. No, we did them at the Ridge Trail, and we did baskets down at the down a little further from here.
So the reason for their white tubes in the woods, they're surrounding young maple trees, which are our favorite food for rabbits and deer. So we should start doing that with our bushes at home.
Yeah. Every year in March, we look forward to attending Maple Syrup Day at the Chippewa Nature Center. This year we had the pancake breakfast, and we enjoyed a hike around the property as well as visiting the sugar house. If you'd like information on Maple Syrup Day, you can follow the Chippewa Nature Center on Facebook or check out their website at chippewanaturecenter.org. We hope you continue to watch our video and enjoy the rest of our time at the Nature Center.
This would be the slow method for making syrup. Very slow. With the breeze like today and most days, most of that heat does not go to boiling. It goes to warming our legs and everything else.
Feels good.
Yeah, that's it. Well, last year it felt really good because it was cold last year. But
Yeah.
look at me, I'm wishing I had shorts on.
So, quiz time. How many gallons of sap to make a gallon of syrup?
I don't know.
You don't
Is it
know.
like 40?
40, yeah.
Yeah.
40 to 50, depending on the maple trees.
I'm surprised I got that.
Best case 40, worst case 50.
Yeah.
And I think you can also use birch trees maybe, or there's another tree you can get sap from, but then it takes like 90.
Oh.
Nice day out. Hopefully the wind stays like it is, and we'll have an even better day.
Yeah.
Alright, so as you guys just seen, they take hot maple syrup and pour it over ice or snow, and it kind of like caramelizes it and makes it into this somewhat solid candy. It's pretty sticky.
Yeah.
It's in my teeth. Hi, thank you for joining us at Chippewa Nature Center for the Maple Syrup Weekend. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.